Hi, data science jobs are in high demand globally across a wide range of industries like healthcare, finance, e commerce, and agriculture. Companies of all sizes are leveraging data driven decision making to improve everything from hiring and operations to inventory and sales. But today, let's focus on sales and the kinds of data driven insights CEOs need to boost sales, improve the efficiency of the sales process, and resolve sales related issues. Now, let me give you a real world example from LawSikho's journey in 2022. At that time, our revenue wasn't growing. We hired salespeople, some were good and some were not. But despite everyone's hard work, we did not see any progress for months. As a remote first company, we had the advantage of scaling quickly by hiring talent from small towns at lower salaries. But we struggled with creating a transparent, disciplined system. We had no clarity on the real performance of our salespeople. Luckily, one of our co founders, a data wizard, used data science to turn things around in 5 months. We first noticed that the data we were getting was not reliable. Salespeople were manually inputting data to skew the numbers, making it appear as though they were performing well when they were not. We knew something had to change. Rinku Jhala, our first data science hire, identified the biggest issue: corrupted data. For instance, we expected our salespeople to spend at least half their time on real sales calls. But instead, many were chatting with friends or calling the same lead multiple times to meet their daily quotas. We were using systems like OzoneTel, Cloud Telephony, and Lead Squared CRM to track performance. But their automated reports were generic and did not highlight all the data discrepancies caused by the sales team's tricks. This is when we decided to take action and fix the system from within. Rinku created a foolproof system to prevent data manipulation and ensure data consistency. This involved cleaning up our CRM data, ensuring proper lead dispositions in different stages of the sales pipeline. So, we built an in house dashboard that showed daily performance, including leads not being touched or follow ups not being done on time. The first major insight was that we had surplus leads, but they were not being contacted. Out of 448 leads, 199 leads were untouched. 24 out of 50 follow ups were not completed on time. Clearly, the issue was not a lack of leads, it was a performance issue. We then created another dashboard to correlate the number of dialed calls, the number of actual conversations, and the number of unique conversations. The third major insight showed that the number of unique conversations was very low, which meant that follow ups were equally low. We also tracked idle time in another dashboard to identify if salespeople were skipping calls during work hours. This revealed our fourth major insight. Some salespeople were not working during the expected hours, causing delays in the sales process. With these insights, we started publishing the performance of each salesperson every 2 hours. It became crystal clear to everyone that we were tracking their efforts, and this transparency led to some resigning due to their poor performance. The rest of the team started working harder to improve. Through these insights and transparency, we built a virtuous cycle of motivation, accountability, and improvement. As a result, sales improved dramatically. The process not only increased revenues but also boosted morale, improved work ethic, and instilled discipline. We learned that data science is not just for one time fixes. It's a continuous process. We still have a dedicated team of data professionals who monitor performance and hold teams accountable. This story clearly demonstrates how data driven insights can completely transform sales and business operations. With simple dashboards and data analysis, we pinpointed the root cause of the problem and implemented lasting solutions. If you are interested in learning data science and how to leverage data driven insights in sales, you can not only build a rewarding career but also boost your income significantly. Join our free online bootcamp to learn more about how you can become a data science professional and unlock career changing opportunities. The bootcamp is live and no recordings will be available. So book your calendars and set your alarms so that you do not miss any part of this transformative experience. See you there.